Hi, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and in this video, I'm going to cover Medicare Part B. Now, I first learned about Medicare when I was helping my dad figure out his Medicare decision, and since then, thousands of people have turned to me to make their Medicare decision too. Now, the Medicare Coach isn't an agent, so we don't accept or receive any commissions from insurance companies, which means we are truly independent and unbiased. And it's incredibly important that you get independent, unbiased Medicare advice to ensure that you are making the right Medicare decision when you first join Medicare, because you may not be able to switch plans or options in the future. Also, please stay tuned to the end of this video where I will share a free resource to help you make your Medicare decision too. Okay, let's cover Medicare Part B. Now, Medicare Part B covers most of what you will need when it comes to your outpatient healthcare. Part B covers your doctor's visits, your lab tests, your therapy, your durable medical equipment, certain chiropractic care. It will also cover medications that must be administered by a medical professional, such as chemotherapy. Now, Medicare has a complete list of the services that they will cover on their website, and you will see through that list that all of these services are classified as being medically necessary. Now, it's also important to know that Medicare Part B only covers 80% of the cost of these services. Now, most of you will either get a Medicare supplement plan, which is also called a Medigap plan, or a Medicare Advantage plan to cover some, if not all, of the 20% that Medicare does not cover. Now, the price that you pay for Medicare Part B depends on your situation, but most of you in the year 2019 will pay $135.50 a month for Medicare Part B. Now, the premiums can be lower if you qualify for financial assistance, but it can also be higher if you have a higher income. So if your modified adjusted gross income, so it's based on your taxes, is $85,000 or more as an individual, or $170,000 or more as a couple, you will pay more for Medicare Part B. With that said, we help our clients know when and how to appeal these fees and how to manage potentially large employer payouts to avoid paying more for your Medicare. So if you fall into this category, we can provide you some guidance through our Medicare Concierge service. Now, like I said earlier, Medicare is complicated, and too many people make the wrong Medicare decision, which is jeopardizing their health care as well as their savings. And this is why so many people turn to the Medicare Coach for help. So if you want help with your Medicare decision and with the steps to take to make your decision, please click the link below to join my free online Medicare workshop. Now, in this workshop, I cover the 5 steps to Medicare so that you can easily understand what to look at and how it all fits together. And it's all about saving you time, so you're not wasting your time going through all the research and all the paperwork. Now, it's completely free to join the workshop, but there's a limited number of spots available, so make sure you click the link in the description to reserve your seat today. Once again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and I look forward to speaking with you on the free online Medicare workshop. Here's to making Medicare easy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment below, and subscribe for more videos just like this.